Well, what have that done? I mean, guy, bro. What is this? You want to roast this guy? Hey, you! Bro doesn't have red cockroaches. Ugly, bro. Bro. Bro, my god. So many cockroach. You think you will go to mad, lil bro? You're gonna eat the poop? Huh? So you're the king of roach? You're gonna poop in your ass, bro? Hey, Amber guy. Are you a AI? Are you a robot? I see you, Henry Bill, bro. Are you a kid? You're a kid, Bill, bro. I know you're a kid. It's just your mother come at you. Because you're a kid. I will burn your house for a while. Oh my god. First, what is this? It's not it's not even a red roach, bro. It's not even a red roach. It's a venomous.
1, 2.
What the fudge? Let me comment that. I will expose you again. Expose you again. Go to my channel. Wait, I don't know how to spell channel. Go to my video. That's good. I will expose you again. Go to my videos. What is that? Spotify. Spotify. I guess. What? He is a bot. And he's the king of roach. I see his face reveal. What the fudge? Oh. Are you serious right now, bro?
1, 2, 3, start!
Huh? What is that sound, lil bro? Are you Spanish, bro? Are you Spanish? I thought you're English. You're Spanish. What are you talking about that? So many roaches, you ugly. Who is this guy? Well, Henry Bill. I guess she's not a... What? Oh my god. I'm gonna crash
1,
out
2,
too.
3.
I'm gonna saying... Oh my god. Jandel is not good thing. Oh my god. Jandel is the biggest, is the best thing to be born as a stupid person. Jandel is the best thing to be born as a stupid person. Ooh. Hey, Aman guy. I will. Who is that? Who is that? Hey, bro. It's you. You're the owner of this YouTube.
What?
Wait, you're not the owner of YouTube. Wait. Hey, bro.
Bro, is that the guy? Oh, that's...
Hey, bro. Are you the stupid person? Are you the stupid person? I will expose you. Yes, you are. You're a liar. Liar. face on fire. You're a liar, face on a fire. Go to hell. You're the bad person on this internet. On this YouTube. Oh, you're liar. You're a liar, face on a fire. Go to hell. You're the bad person. This YouTube. Bro, hey bro. You're the stupid person. Liar, liar, face in the fire. Liar, liar, face in the fire. You go to hell because you're a liar. Face to the fire. You fucking lady. Go to the fire. Fucker pay. Really give power to give hours. Don't comment my video because you ugly. You ugly dumbas because you ugly. I don't know how do you do that because you aiming guy. Because this dog is ugly. It's like a rabbit and ugly. It's not a real animal. It's a brain rod. Italian brain rod. Bruh. You're gonna be cursed, little bro. Ja. Haha. Thanks. What do you mean thanks? It's not a thanks. Are you stupid? Are you dumb? What the heck? What is it? What is this? It's not a movie, little bro.
1, 2,
Ew. Go touch your poop, little bro. Go touch your poop. So you're scared of centipede? Are you scared of Are you scared of? Are you scared of devil? Are you scared of snake? Are you scared of snake? How about again? So many roach is ugly. I have the army. I have the army of ants. I have the army of ants. I have the army of ants. Because you don't have ants. Ants is better. Wait, the army of cats? That's better.
1.
But I will say but the cat has.
You not finish yet?
Wait, the cat has. What is this fellow has?
Oh. How do you know? Yeah. What? Ass. Those are S.
Oh, I don't know what is that. This means has. You mean this? You mean this? Has? I don't know what is that spell.
No.
No! Say what is that? What?
H-A-S.
H-A-S?
Yeah.
Aura.
How about dogs? And frogs
Are more Aura.
Or Tic-Tac-Toc, a famok. Did you know that the Tic-Tac-Toc of famok got viral?
But the cats has more aura. If he comment my video again, I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna go to his house and burn it.
P-I-L-L life.
What is
Just
this?
kidding, just kidding.
What? You mean this Geometry Dash guy?
Yeah.
What is? Okay, let's do it.
No, it's actually 10
No,
minutes.
no.
It's already 10 minutes.
What? No, let me see. You can do this, guys. You can do this.
And for the video.